Imagine if you could automate 98% of your SEO tasks, boost your rankings, and cut your SEO costs without hiring a single extra person or learning a line of code. This is the new reality of AI powered SEO, and by the end of this masterclass, you'll know exactly how to do it even if you're starting from scratch. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the exact AI SEO system I use to grow my own business and help others do the same. Here's what we're going to cover: why traditional SEO is broken and how AI fixes it. The new rules of SEO in the AI era, the only three ways to grow your business, and how AI SEO multiplies each, the 5 stages of customer awareness and how to create content for all of them, the traffic trinity, and how to win in every channel. A step-by-step walkthrough of the only AI SEO platform I recommend. Real case studies and proof that this system works. And at the end, I'll show you how to unlock my full SEO course for free. But before we dive in, let me warn you, what you're about to learn will challenge everything you thought you knew about SEO. Ready? Let's go. Hey, I'm Fran AI, the digital avatar of Fran Barbero, founder of onlinemarketer.ai. Every script here is researched and written by Fran himself, with over 10 years of experience building audiences on social media to over 1 million followers, running e-com and info brands, and helping service businesses grow. Most people don't realize this, but the way we've been taught to do SEO is stuck in the past. SEO used to be about stuffing keywords, buying backlinks, and hoping Google would notice. But the game has changed. Today, Google, YouTube, social platforms, and even AI tools like ChatGPT are where your customers are searching. If you're only focused on Google, you're missing out on a massive chunk of your potential traffic. The problem? Most businesses are still using outdated tactics. They're spending hours or thousands of dollars on manual SEO only to see little or no results. But here's the good news. AI can now automate almost everything. Technical fixes, content, link building, and more. With the right system, you can save 95% of your time and costs and finally see results that actually move the needle. I'll show you exactly how this works in a minute, but first, let me tell you a quick story about how I learned this lesson the hard way. What really changed everything for me was a $20,000 mistake. Let me show you what happened. Here's what changed everything for me. I wasn't the smartest kid in class. I barely scraped by, but I always wanted to create something of my own. In university, I was obsessed with Instagram. I grew a fitness page to over 1 million followers and thought I had it made. So I launched my first e-commerce brand, invested in a $12,000 website, and then, boom, Instagram disabled my top page. Traffic stopped, sales crashed, I was 19, broke, and embarrassed. That's when I realized you don't own your followers. If the platform goes down, your business goes down. I needed to learn real marketing, how to turn attention into actual business results. I reinvested everything into learning. I flew to Funnel Hacking Live, surrounded myself with the best marketers, and realized I'd been starting with the wrong end of the funnel. I tried again, this time with a premium fitness program, a full team, and a big launch. Results? $500 in sales after spending about $20,000 creating and marketing the program. Brutal. But it taught me. Having followers doesn't mean you have a business. I needed a system that started with real demand, not empty attention. So what's the system I wish I had from the start? It's all about understanding the new SEO reality. Most people don't know this, but SEO isn't just about Google anymore. People search everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, even inside AI tools like ChatGPT. If you're only optimizing for Google, you're missing out on massive traffic and leads. The new SEO is multi-platform. Google is still huge, but YouTube is the second biggest search engine. Social platforms have their own search, and AI tools are starting to recommend businesses directly. If you want to be found, you need to show up where your customers are actually searching. When I started, I focused only on Instagram. It worked until it didn't. But when I started showing up on Google, YouTube, and even AI tools, my reach exploded. Lesson? Diversify your SEO. Don't put all your eggs in one search basket. But even if you're everywhere, most businesses are still missing the real growth levers. let's talk about the only 3 ways to scale. Here's what most people get wrong about business growth. Everyone thinks the answer is get more clients, but that's actually the hardest and most expensive way to grow. Jay Abraham's 3 ways to grow any business. 1. Increase the number of clients. 2. Increase the value per transaction. 3. Increase the frequency of transactions. Most businesses focus only on number 1, but small improvements in number 2 and number 3 can have massive impact without the stress of constantly chasing new customers. Let's say you have 100 clients who spend $500 each once a year, that's $50,000. If you double your clients, that's a ton of work. But if you increase the average transaction to 750 or get clients to buy twice a year, you can double your revenue with the same number of clients. And here's where AI SEO comes in if you have the right system. It helps you attract more clients, lever 1, which will help you upsell and cross-sell more, lever 2, and will also help you nurture and reactivate past clients, lever 3. But to really make this work, you need to understand how your customers think. Let's break down the 5 stages of awareness. Most businesses only talk to people who are ready to buy, but that's just 3% of your market. The other 97% are in earlier stages, and if you ignore them, you're leaving money on the table. The 5 stages of customer awareness are 1. Unaware. 2. Problem aware. 3. Solution aware. 4. Product aware. 5. Most aware. If you only create content for stage 5, you're missing almost everyone. For example, a dentist, stage 1. Did you know your oral health affects your heart? Stage 2. 3 signs you might need a dental checkup. Stage 3. Different types of dental treatments explained. Stage 4. What to expect at our practice. Stage 5. Schedule your appointment today. The same applies to coaches, agencies, and local businesses. AI SEO allows you to easily map out and create SEO optimized content for every stage, so you're always top of mind no matter where your customer is in their journey. But where do you actually find these people? It all comes down to the traffic trinity. Here's something most businesses completely misunderstand. Not all traffic is created equal. Search, social, and direct traffic each contain people at different stages of the journey. Search traffic, people actively looking for what you offer, stage 4 to 5. Social traffic, people scrolling, not looking for you, stage 1 to 2. Direct traffic, people who already know and trust you, stage 5. If you use the same message for all 3, you're wasting your efforts. For search traffic, be direct and solution focused. Emergency HVAC repair, call now. For social, create awareness. The weird sound your AC makes that could cost you $3,000. For direct, nurture the relationship. Here's a coupon code for our loyal customers. With AI SEO, you can create and automate the right SEO optimized message for every channel, so you're always speaking to the right person at the right time. Here's a massive mistake I see all the time, and it's costing businesses thousands in wasted SEO efforts. Most business owners don't understand search intent. They treat all keywords the same, throwing everything onto random pages without any strategy. The result? Their homepage is trying to rank for what is SEO, while their blog is buried with SEO services in Florida. It's backwards, confusing to Google, and it kills your rankings. Here's what you need to know. Not all keywords are created equal. There are 2 main types that matter for your site architecture. Transactional keywords. These are ready-to-buy searches. Buy running shoes online. Hire SEO agency. Emergency plumber in Texas. These searchers know what they want. They're at stage 4 or 5 of awareness. They're looking for a solution now. Informational keywords. These are learning mode searches. How to improve website rankings. What causes tooth pain. How to repair my air conditioner. These searchers are earlier in the journey, stage 1, 2, or 3. They're researching, learning, and not ready to buy yet. Here's the problem. Most businesses mix these up completely. I've seen dentist websites where the homepage, the most important page, is optimized for dental health tips. That's an informational keyword. Nobody searching that is ready to book an appointment. Meanwhile, their blog post is targeting emergency dentist near me, a perfect transactional keyword that should be on the homepage or a main service page. Google sees this confusion and thinks, I don't know what this site is actually about or who it's for, and I don't even know which are the important pages that I should favor. So it ranks you poorly across the board. Here's the right way to structure your site. Your main site, homepage, service pages, product pages, navigation. These should target transactional, high-intent keywords, the searches from people ready to take action. Homepage, best service in city or professional solution for problem. Service page 1, emergency HVAC repair in city. Service page 2, air conditioning installation in city. This is where you put your money pages, the ones designed to convert visitors into customers. Your blog, this is where you target informational, educational keywords, the searches from people earlier in the journey. 5 signs your AC needs repair. How often should you service your HVAC system? What's the average lifespan of an air conditioner? These blog posts do 3 powerful things. They capture the 97% of your market that isn't ready to buy yet. They build trust and authority, positioning you as the expert. They funnel readers toward your main pages when they're ready to take action. Think of it like this. Your blog is the top of the funnel. It attracts people, educates them, and warms them up. Your main site is the bottom of the funnel. It closes the deal. Let me give you a real example for a chiropractor website. Bad site architecture, homepage, optimize for benefits of chiropractic care, informational, blog post, optimize for chiropractor near me, open now, transactional, good site architecture, homepage, optimize for best chiropractor in city name, transactional, main service page, emergency chiropractic care in city name, blog post. 1. 5 signs you need to see a chiropractor, informational, leads to main pages. Blog post. 2. How chiropractic care improves posture, informational, builds authority. Blog post. 3. What to expect at your first chiropractic visit, informational, removes objections, and you can link it to your booking page. See the difference? Now, here's where most businesses get stuck. Manually organizing hundreds of keywords, figuring out search intent for each one, and structuring content accordingly. It's overwhelming. That's exactly where AI SEO tools come in. With the keyword research tools and Content Genius, you can identify which keywords are transactional versus informational instantly, map keywords to the right pages automatically, create optimized content for both your main site and your blog in minutes, not weeks. But how do you actually execute all of this without drowning in tools and tech headaches? Let me show you the new SEO stack. Here's where it all comes together. Most businesses are drowning in tools, one for keyword research, one for content, one for reporting, and none of them talk to each other. That's why I use Search Atlas. It's the only platform that automates almost all SEO tasks, from technical fixes to content to link building, all in one place. Let's break down the core tools inside Search Atlas. Auto SEO, the AI agent that audits your site, recommends fixes, and deploys them instantly. Content Genius, AI-powered content creation and optimization. Write, rewrite, and structure content the way Google reads it. Learn language models, see where your brand appears in AI-generated answers, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and optimize for AI search. GBP Galactic, automate Google Business Profile Management, reviews, posts, and Q&A at scale. Site Auditor, get detailed reports on technical SEO health with step-by-step guides to fix every issue. Link building, automate link building outreach, backlink analysis, and press release distribution. Portfolio summary, instantly see the health of all your sites or client accounts in one dashboard. Here's how it works. 1. Add the auto pixel to your website. 2. Auto audits your site, finds technical issues, and recommends fixes. 3. You approve the changes and auto deploys them instantly, no coding needed. 4. Use Content Genius to create or optimize articles, landing pages, and more. 5. Track your rankings, traffic, and AI visibility, all in one place. But does this actually work in the real world? Let's look at some real case studies and proof. Let's see what happens when you put this system to work. It's one thing to talk about AI SEO, it's another to see real businesses get real results. Chiropractic Center, Auto SEO delivered a 97% improvement in local rankings in just 3 weeks. Restaurant equipment supplier, 390% increase in organic traffic after switching to Search Atlas. Personal injury lawyer, 96% more keywords ranking, dominating local search in a competitive market. Of course, I have to mention that results vary and there are no guarantees. But these aren't just numbers, they're real businesses, using the same tools and strategies I'm showing you today. So how do you actually implement all of this, step by step? Here's your 30-day action plan. Let's make this real and actionable. Information without implementation is just entertainment. I want you to see real results, fast. Here's your week-by-week plan. Week 1. Audit your current customer journey. Identify which growth lever has the biggest opportunity. Map out your funnel and spot drop-offs. Week 2. Create content for each stage of awareness. Set up your presence on Google, YouTube, social, and AI tools. Start building your email list. Week 3. Implement basic follow-up sequences for new leads. Set up appointment reminders and nurture sequences. Week 4. Set up auto SEO. Automate your technical fixes and start tracking your rankings and AI visibility. With Search Atlas, you can do all of this in one dashboard. No more duct tape, no more tool chaos. But what if you could shortcut all of this and also get my full SEO course as a bonus? Here's how. Here's the part I'm most excited about. I want you to have every advantage possible. That's why I've partnered with Search Atlas to give you a free trial, so you can test everything risk-free. When you join through my affiliate link, you'll also unlock my full SEO training course inside our Smart AI Business Hub. This is the exact step-by-step system I wish I had when I started, covering everything from website psychology to AI SEO automation, content, link building, and more. Here is exactly how to claim it. 1. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. 2. Start your free trial of Search Atlas. 3. You'll get instant access to the platform, plus my full SEO course as a bonus. And here is my affiliate disclaimer. Search Atlas pays me a commission, which is what allows me to provide this SEO training for free. Still have questions or doubts? Let me answer the top ones I get. Let's clear up any last questions. I know this is a big decision, and you might be wondering if it's right for you. Is this too technical for me? Nope. If you can follow instructions, you can use Search Atlas, which is the core idea of letting AI handle the complicated technical SEO tasks for you. Plus, they offer workshops and free training to learn how to use the platform step by step. Will this work for my industry? Search Atlas is used by agencies, local businesses, e-com businesses, coaches, consultants, and more in multiple niches and countries. What if I don't see results? You get a free trial. If you don't love it, just cancel, no risk. Remember, the only way to know is to try it for yourself. Click the link, start your free trial, and let's build your AI-powered SEO system together. Alright, let's bring it all together. Here's what you learned today. Why traditional SEO is broken and how AI is changing the game. The new rules of SEO in the AI era. The only 3 ways to grow your business and how AI SEO multiplies each. How to create content for every stage of the customer journey. How to win in search, social, and direct traffic. How to automate almost all of your SEO with Search Atlas. Real case studies and proof. And how to get my full SEO course as a bonus when you start your free trial. Here's what to do next. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. Start your free trial of Search Atlas. Unlock my full SEO course inside the Smart AI Business Hub. Take action on the 30-day plan and watch your rankings, traffic, and leads grow. Don't wait, this bonus might not be available forever, and I want you to have every advantage possible. If you're ready to work smarter, not harder, now's your chance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the Smart AI Business Hub.